Hi there, it's Narelle from Simply Stamping with Narelle here, and I just thought I would show you this beautiful project kit from Stampin' Up. It is the Christmas Countdown project kit, and it's a beautiful advent calendar. Comes already assembled. In the kit you get the instructions and all the embellishments to decorate the kit. You can of course decorate it in your own way, but I followed what Stampin' Up had. So this is the advent kit. It's white cardboard, but it's very sturdy cardboard, and it's amazing. So the project kit instructions is a lovely brochure, and it comes in all sorts of different languages. It tells you what you need before you start, tells you what your kit includes, and the different steps for assembling. So each section has a number on it, and that's the step you do. There's also a video that Stampin' Up have provided that you can watch before you assemble your kit. Just makes it a little bit easier. Tells you the additional items you need and the coordinating colors and some tips. So it doesn't come with a stamp set. The Christmas Countdown stamp set is additional, and it's a wonderful stamp set. You can use it for all sorts of projects after you've done the advent calendar. The coordinating colors, if you want to use what comes with the kit, then the coordinating colors are Cherry Cobbler, Early Espresso, and Mossy Meadow. And they're the colors that I have used. Like I said, I decorated it exactly the way that Stampin' Up has, and that's going by the instructions. And you'll also need dimensionals and some glue. I love the Tombow liquid glue. It is absolutely wonderful for everything. You could use tape if you wanted to, but I found using the glue was better. And the tips, and it has a whole list of tips there to help you. And I suggest you read all this before you actually get started. And the brochure also has other languages in it as well. So it has Japanese, French, German, things like that. So it's excellent for all our different languages and markets that Stampin' Up is in, or if you have relatives in those countries and you want to send them the gift of this kit for them to make up. So in the back of the brochure, you'll see there is pictures showing you what all the different designs are. Now, there's not instructions of, okay, step 1, do this, step 1, step 2, do this. But each of the numbers against the diagrams is the steps that I pointed out earlier. So number 1 is stamp in Early Espresso, and etc. And it really is straightforward, and you should be able to just look at the pictures and then know exactly what to do. So in the kit, you also get all these sticker sheets. The numbers are not stickers, they're just a die-cut cardboard sheet. And then you have your fronts for your drawers. Again, they're not self-adhesive. You will need glue to stick them on. And then there's the sticker sheets of the snowflakes and the bows and the ribbon embellishments, the wreaths, and lots of different stuff in there. Now, you'll find, as always, with all Stampin' Up kits, they always give you extra. So you will have extras, and that's nice, because then you can add coordinating cards. If you're giving this as a gift, make a Christmas card or some gift cards to go with it, because you will have leftovers. And, if you make a mistake, then you have something left over. Right, the boxes. They are really, really sturdy. I was very surprised. They are very strong. The dimensions, they're like 5.5 centimeters square, and they're quite a good sized box. I have an advent calendar from another company I've made when my kids were little, so it's nearing 18 years old now, and it's a wooden one. But the boxes are a lot smaller, and I struggled to get enough in the boxes. So these boxes are really big, and you could easily fit like 2 Ferrero shares and things in them, as they are a lot bigger. So what I'm going to do now is basically just run through creating one box of each design like Stampin' Up have in their samples. So they're normally pretty straightforward, and all you do for this first one is stamp the little pattern in the top left corner which in this video I forgot to do. I actually missed it and I had to go back in and do it after I'd put my other embellishments on. But yeah, so familiarize yourself, with the instructions before you start. Really, really easy. Stick on the embellishments, do some stamping, glue it onto the front of the box, and then you are done. Really, really simple. So for this first one, like I said, I'm just following Stampin' Up's instructions. Took off the white snowflake, which is just a sticker. There was a few little bits that stuck inside the snowflake, didn't want to come off. So I just used my take your pick tool, or the pokey end. Probably got a better technical term than that, but I call it the pokey end. And just pop them out. Choose your number, and because this is the first one. And you put the numbers on with dimensionals. So just stick the dimensional on the back. On the front of the box front, just use the dimensional. I don't know what I'm saying. Stick your number on with dimensionals. And this one, I actually forgot the stamp of the sprinkles. I think it's probably is the right term, or they're tiny little stars, I think, in the stamp set. You can assemble this kit without the actual stamp set that matches. It just means that yours will look a little bit different. You can use any stamp set you want. You can change the colors up. You can do whatever you want. But this Christmas Countdown is a wonderful stamp set, and I can see me using it for lots of other things besides just this advent calendar. Now this is a cling stamp, so you probably will want to put the labels on. Really simple to do. Just peel off the backing from the stamp, peel off the backing from the label, put the foam side of the stamp onto the sticky label, and then pull it off. And I love the cling stamps. They are so good. And like, look at this, it's not going anywhere. It's sticking to my finger and not budging. So gone are the days where your stamps will fall off the acrylic blocks. These clings are amazing. So now I've realized that I need to stamp that, but I've already put the number on. It doesn't matter. Mine's going to look a little bit different to the Stampin' Up sample. So I'm just stamping just whatever will fit there above the one. And that's it. The front is decorated. That's how easy it is. Now, if I hadn't have missed that bit of stamping, I would have done that front in like 30 seconds. They are so quick. Now, just going to put some glue on the back of the front and then glue it to the little drawer. Really, really simple. I apologize. Some of it is off camera that I'm doing, but it's only gluing, so you should all know how to do that. This advent calendar I can see is going to be very popular. So if you want one, you better jump in early and get one before they sell out. So there we go. I'm just making sure that it is even. And our first little drawer is done. You could get on a roll with these. And look, that's amazing. Look how quick. That is so cool. And it looks so great. So there we have drawer one done. So now I'm just going to carry on with all the other drawers, do one of each design, and then keep going until I get to the last drawer. So I'm going to speed the video up now because it's really, really simple process of decorating these little fronts and adding the embellishments, doing a little bit of stamping and sticking the number on. So I will speed the video up now and sit back and enjoy.
Hey, if you wanna play, make it about a place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration. All I'm saying is you can do it. I wanna hear you say I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say yes, I am? the dance, and run with what is in your heart. Let the magic start. You're in charge. Yes, you can. What's the plan? Come on, let's do this and do it now. I wanna hear you shout. I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am. You can do it. Change and grow. You can have it. Don't you know? You can be it. Anything, anything you want. I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am independent. Watch me dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am. Hey, if you wanna play, make it about a place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration. All I'm saying is you can do it. I wanna hear you say, I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am. Lead, inspire destiny. Require every dream to believe. Take the chance, lead the dance, and run with what is in your heart. Let the magic start. You're in charge. Yes, you can. What's the plan? Come on, let's do this and do it now. I wanna hear you shout. I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am. You can do it. Change and grow. You can have it. Don't you know? You can be it. Anything, anything you want. I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am independent. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am independent. Watch me. I am dedicated. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Yes, I am. I am in control. I am. Watch me go. Doing it my way, doing it my way. Can you hear me say? Yes, I am. Hey, if you wanna play, make it about a place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration.
Okay, there we have it. Completed advent calendar. Absolutely gorgeous, this kit. Like I said, I used the same design as Stampin' Up did. I just used all the supplies that come with it. I do have lots left over, so Stampin' Up are always generous. Now I just need to sit back. I think I've deserved a cup of tea after that. It didn't take much, but it's so pretty, and I love the size of the drawers. You can fit so much in them. They're double-sided, so if you wanted to decorate it differently and just have a general drawers to use during the year, then you certainly can. And you can decorate the sides as well if you like. So that's it. That is the advent calendar, the countdown calendar. It is quite reasonable and very sturdy. You just need the stamp set extra if you want to do the same design as Stampin' Up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you consider purchasing one of these because they are so good. Thank you. Bye-bye.